If you need to add custom code to your Squarespace website, I'm going to show you a few ways of doing so if the basic customization options are not enough for you. So without further ado, let's dive straight in. So there's a number of ways to add custom code. So we're going to first start off with going into the actual website page, right? So let's click on edit over here. And once you've clicked on edit, you'll be able to customize everything that you see on your actual website. Now on the sections that you want to add some code, you can go and click on the add block. Now there's two options. The first option over here is to add a code block. Okay, this is a code block and you can now appropriately add the code that you would like to add. Secondly, you can go and look at the option embed. Now once you click on embed, you'll be able to embed code or snippets. Let's click on the edit icon, a link or a code snippet from a third-party website that's not supported by Squarespace. Okay, so this, for example, could be maybe a Facebook page or a post, or even maybe a YouTube video or something like that. Another way of doing this is if you want to go ahead and change the parameters of the actual page itself. I just want to go out of here. You can change the parameters of the page itself by going into Pages. Once you're in Pages, you can navigate all the way down to the bottom of this menu on the left-hand side. Right at the bottom, you will see a few additional options, specifically website tools. Now, once you go into website tools, you'll actually here be able to click on custom CSS, which will allow you to change the styling of your page, and then also code injection. Now, there is another way of going about this. You can go back out of this menu and you can click on a particular page. When you click on the particular page, you will actually be able to view that page, and also if you hover your mouse cursor over that page, there will be a little gear icon just next to it. Now once you've done that, in the menu you can go to advanced, and here again you can add a code injection directly over here. This will influence just this particular page. There you go. If you want to add custom code to Squarespace, that is the way to do it.